This video is to help you find all of the features on our Mosspark Primary School Microsoft Team. If you have any issues accessing Microsoft Teams or you want to know more about the features in general, please see the videos on my blog. If you're on a computer, this is the screen that you'll see. Over on the left hand side, you'll note that we have 12 hidden channels. These channels are the class pages and you can show any of them just by going over and clicking the show icon as I'm doing here with Primary 7. You can edit the notifications that you receive on any channels just by clicking those three dots and selecting how you want them to be shown or to have them off if it's not a channel that you're using at all. This is a good idea to save yourself getting lots of notifications from channels that you don't use, such as other classes. Additionally, you can hide any channels that you don't want to be seeing. All you have to do this is hover over the channel that you want to hide, click the three dots and click hide. Again, it's a good idea to make sure that you sort your channel notifications before doing this. Additionally, I've added the Twitter feed for each of the classes, so any tweets that use your class's hashtag will appear in your class, and you don't need Twitter in order to view them. The Mosspark Twitter and the nursery Twitter appear on the general page. You will need a Twitter account though to follow the nursery Twitter page, and you'll need to send a follow request as it is currently private. For information about the other features, such as how to compose messages, how to make meetings, please see the video tutorials in my blog. If you're using a phone or tablet, it's a really good idea to download the Teams app. Remember, when you're signing in, your email address has to be @glow.sch.uk. You can't use the .ea Glasgow extension. By clicking the Teams icon at the bottom, you'll be able to see all of the teams that you're a member of. For this, we're going to go into Mosspark Primary School. By expanding the school icon, you'll see all of the classes in our team. You can go into any of these teams and you'll be able to see any posts that have been made or any other things. You can also select the notification icon at the top to turn off notifications or turn on notifications for any of the channels. At the bottom you also have the chat icon and the activity icon. The chat icon allows you to have a private chat or a one-on-one conversation. Please remember it is disabled for use with children though, you can only do that amongst adults. And the activity part just shows any notifications that you have. You've also got assignments and you've got calendar as you do in the full version. In the calendar you have the option to make a meeting for your team. You do this by clicking the calendar plus icon in the top right hand corner. Type the title for your meeting. For this I'm setting up the tech team meeting. You can choose to add participants. To do that you just type in the name or select recent participants, but probably best to share to a channel. Now be very careful when sharing to a channel to make sure you get the right one. You need to go down to the school team. You then need to click on the class channel. Please do not schedule a meeting into general because that will invite absolutely everyone in the school. You only want it to be specific to your class. So go down to the channel that you want. For this, again, I've chosen the tech team, which is my general channel in the tech team, but for our school one, you need to make sure that you click the class. You put your start time and the end time. Description if you want to show what it is that your meeting is going to be about. Ignore location though. That is really if you're setting a physical location for people to go. It will take a little while to load, but you'll notice at the bottom after a wee while that your meeting has been scheduled in the team. Once the meeting started, it will appear in the class channel as a little link saying meeting started, join, and whoever wants to join the meeting just needs to click that button. In your class channel, you also have the option to view files as well as posts, and if you click on the more icon, anything else that you've added, such as a web link like our Twitter link, will appear. Hopefully that's been helpful and has given you a little insight in how to use Teams on your phone and on your computer or tablet as well, and how you can use our Mosspark Primary School Teams to connect with your class and with each other.